Good morning, students. In this video, I will start explaining lesson number 6, Indian social values. Lesson number 6, Indian social values. It means what and all are good in India and in Indian people. It means set of principles that are morally acceptable by the society. Now tell me, discipline is accepted or indiscipline is accepted in the society? Good-natured people are accepted or bad people are accepted in the society? You want to live free or you want to be a slave to somebody? Do you respect others? These are all your moral values, the social values which are accepted by the society where you live. Indian social values are the responsibility, Indians' responsibility. Indian follow the justice or accept the justice, then freedom, respect. Now let me start. We must consider ourselves, we should think ourselves lucky to be born in a great nation like India. We are in fact privileged. Privileged means at benefit, at advantage, to be brought up in a society which upholds means supports great values and principles. Principles are the truth or the rule or the guidelines followed by the society. When we live in the society, we also have the responsibility to protect and promote these social values. When you are living in a particular society, you are responsible to accept and follow the rules and regulations and the disciplinary things required for the smooth functioning of the nation. It means we are very lucky to be born in India because India is a nation which supports good social values. When we live in the society, our responsibility is to promote and protect and promote social values. Now let us see some social values. Democracy. Democracy means self-government. Self-government means we ourselves elect our leaders of the nation. India is the largest democratic country in the world. The word democracy shows we are ruled by our own representatives, our leaders who are at the ruling decks. They are being elected by us only through elections. The uniqueness, the quality of democracy is equality. Equality means everyone is equal in the eye of a law. Every citizen has equal powers and responsibilities. Maybe big or maybe rich, maybe poor, maybe from any religion. Everybody has equal powers and responsibilities as an Indian citizen. The beauty of India lies in the diversity of its people. Diversity means diversity means the range of human differences. For example, a classroom full of children of different backgrounds. But all the students are treated equally in the school. So the beauty of India lies in the diversity of people. There are different categories of people from different religion, different race, different category. But everybody has equal rights and responsibilities and are treated equally. Secularism. India is a secular nation. It means that all the religions have equal status. You know, there are many religions in India, but all the religions have equal status, equal rights, equal respect. Like many other countries, we do not have a national religion. Means there is not one religion followed. We have many religions. Like many other countries, they have only one religion all over the nation. But our India, we have many number of religions. In addition to that, every Indian has absolute freedom to accept and practice any religion. Means nobody is restricted to accept or follow any religion. Everybody has a right to follow any religion. Then you have diversity, the third social value. Unity in diversity is the central principle of Indian society, is the central guidelines or truth of Indian society. Unity in diversity means unity, there is togetherness in diversity. Diversity means people coming from different regions, language, caste, everything. But we all are united under one nation, India. People belonging to different religions, races. Races is a group of people who share the same language, history, characteristics, etc. Communities, a group of people living in the same place. Religions and languages live together peacefully. It is the beauty of Indian society. As I gave you an example of a classroom, we all come from different families. We differ from our religions, but we all study under one roof. The teacher treats every student equally. I'm just giving a small example. Under nation, as a nation, the leaders of nation, they also treat all the people equally. The next one is tolerance. Tolerance being patient. Patience means to be cool. Tolerance is the open-mindedness or to accept others even when they are different. It means we should respect any individual coming from any religion, caste or any particular state of India. We not only respect our Indians, we even respect the foreigners coming to India. India has the great tradition of accepting goodness from wherever it comes. It means India is so great that it accepts good things from any country which is in any part of the world. We accept everything good from others. Next social value is respect. There are many people in the society who deserve our respect, and it is part of our nation tradition too. Many people in the society. Take an example of your house. Even your servants, they want or they deserve respect. Why? Because they are doing such a hard work. Then only they are earning from you. You are not giving them any money without any work taken from them. So we should respect even the chowkidar, because the person is doing his duty properly. No job is small or big. We are supposed to respect every person in the nation. And we Indians do also, because we come from a very rich culture, that is from India. I mean, India has a rich culture. It is our duty to give due respect to parents, elders, teachers, etc. Next is strong families. We also give much importance to building strong families. They are based on caring attitude of the parents and the sharing and helping approach of the children. Strong families contains what good qualities? They care about each other. They share their things. They help each other. It means we have strong families in India which care for others, they share their things and help each other. Next is your cooperation. Indian society also upholds the value of cooperation. Means we cooperate with each other. When we find another in trouble, we extend our hands. We give helping hands for support to the person in need. We cooperate with each other. So I discussed 7 social values in this lesson, that is democracy, secularism, tolerance, diversity, respect, strong families, cooperation. Students, please do read the lesson and try to understand the points given in the lesson. That's all in this video. Thank you. God bless you all.